you been dreaming about playing guitar or piano?
When we're apart, I think about you all the time.
Do you feel overwhelmed by the thought of purchasing an instrument and trying to play it?
Well, let me set your mind at ease.
It's a lot of fun, all of it. Shopping for an instrument can be exciting. Think about it, you'll finally give yourself a gift this year. You'll be able to study and pursue your dream of playing music. It will change your life if you let it. It's all about the journey, not the destination. Enjoy the ride! I'm Kevin Zuchwart. Over the past 20 years, I've worked with folks of all ages and skill levels. So no matter where you're currently at today on your journey, I can help. Whether you are just starting out and need help with all the basics like how to tune your guitar, or if you are an accomplished player with years of study, I can help. I've worked with hundreds of musicians like yourself. I'll be your personal guide to the world of music. Anything you aren't sure of is open for discussion. Your private lesson with me will take place online via Zoom or in person at my studio in Aurora, Colorado. You don't need any fancy equipment. What you do need is a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, the Zoom app installed, a connection to the internet, and that's it. We'll schedule a time once or twice a week to have a meeting. I'll email you a link to the meeting for you to click on at the lesson time. Don't look too hard for a teacher now. You've already found him. So what are you waiting for? Stop watching this and contact me already. It's all about having fun with music, so book a lesson and let's rock. Go to kjzmusic.com and click Book Online for a single lesson. For a series of lessons, click Plans and Pricing. If you'd like to start with one lesson to give it a try before committing to a month of lessons, that'll be just fine. Now go ahead and register on the website and schedule your first lesson. I'll see you then.